Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do the final update on my SuperNova hair. So pretty much I did a video on this hair when I made it into a wig, and I'll have the little link right here. So this is body wave hair. I got 3 bundles, all 22 inches, and then I got a 20-inch closure. I wore the hair long for a while, but honestly I just have been more drawn to short hair. This hair is really cute. Like, me just sitting here wearing this hair, I feel like a doll. I just did my lash transformation. Oh, this is soft, girl. Yes. This hair feels so good. But let me see, what did I use on here? I washed it with Pantene, the white and gold bottle, and you know, washed to condition it with that, and it feels so good. Ooh, like this hair feels so good. I let it air dry, I didn't really blow dry it. So, you know, I wore it long for a while, then I cut bangs on it, and then what did I do? And then I cut it to like right here. So I cut it a little shorter. Now, granted, I did not cut this hair because of any issues with the hair. Again, I just really happen to like short hair and bobs. Like, bobs are my thing. I love bangs, so I will always do bobs and bangs. And I don't have one this color. I did, but I dyed it brown. But this one, I just highlighted a little bit. So yeah, I cut it a little shorter, and I put some very subtle highlights in it. Like, you probably can't even tell. There are some highlights in the bang, but they're mostly, the highlights are mostly for when I wear it like a middle part, but you can barely see the highlights. You kind of can, but not really. I'm really not going to go over much of the things that I went over in the first video or the second, but just update wise, I really enjoy this hair, but I don't think I'm going to change it anymore. So this is going to be the last video that you see on this hair, unless like sometime down the line I decide to do something crazy with it. But I really do like it, y'all. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's so flowy, so silky. Like, it just falls back into place. Rarely tangles, guys. Like, this hair rarely tangles. It's just so soft. Like, it's like butter. It is really blunt. Like, possibly I may thin it out with a little, you know, shearing comb thing, but I don't know, because I like it a lot. Like, cover shot. I'm trying to think of anything else. Minimum shedding, no tangling. Like, the hair was true to length, but of course I've cut it. Like, this is probably what, 10 inches now, if that's 8. So the actual rating that I would give this hair, I would give it a strong 5. Like, I haven't really had any issues with the hair at all. Just like, honestly, I haven't had any issues. Like I said, very minimum shedding, but I'm not gonna deduct from shedding because I haven't never had hair that didn't shed at least like a strand, you know. So, but just every day, you know, running your hands through it, nothing. So if that isn't shedding, you probably get shedding if you don't brush your hair for like a few days. But you probably, I mean, honestly, you don't even need to with this. Like, I did this hair, put on the mannequin head, and then was like, I'm gonna leave it. Came back, put it on. I did a slight bump on the ends because I had it blunt, really blunt at first. But I do like a little curl, like a baby curl. This is gonna be like my go-to wig just for any occasion now, because it's so simple. It's not too hot, you know. You can, it's just sitting on your neck, you know. It's not all down your back where you be like, ooh, it's too hot. It's summertime, so I needed something short besides my short scalp length hair. And I colored the hair, basically sectioned off a few tracks to like just like probably this much, like up here. I sectioned off a track and then like took it all the way to the other side, and then I kind of pinned off the back, like put the back of the hair in a ponytail to keep it out of the way, and I kind of tucked that into the cap. And then I just did the IV highlight method, where you just take a comb or like a rat tail comb, you go in and out between like a track of hair and then the hair that is on top of the comb. Basically that hair is separated from the majority of the hair. Foil down, and then you basically do some bleach on the little strands that you really wanted colored. So I did that for about 3 or 4 tracks, and then I basically did a little bit on the middle of the closure. So the closure, I normally wear this wig like with a part down the middle because sometimes it's too hot for bangs, but it's cool tonight. Applied my bleach, left that on maybe about, I don't even know how long, y'all. So I took that and I just sat it outside in the sun because it's really hot. So I just threw my wig outside and let it sit in the sun, and it lightened to what we have now, and it's really not even super light. Now, I wasn't trying to get it super light. I used 30 volume developer, so not even the fastest one. Came out like a really just brown highlights. That's the last thing I did to this hair. I'll leave links to their store and this particular hair. This is body wave, but I do prefer to wear it straightened because I feel like body wave hair just has a little bit more thickness and fullness than straight hair. So I always go for body wave, even if I'm just going to straighten it. I kind of just like the texture of the hair, if that makes sense. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified when I upload a new video. Lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below because I love hearing what you guys have to say. And with no further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!